Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn how many comments the user has given to the particular custom post type. So here you can see that the number of comments that we are getting is 33. So sometimes we have to like show in the single page that the number of comments is 3, 4, 5, whatever. So how we are going to show in that note. Anyone who haven't subscribed my channel, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So you have to follow my full tutorials in the previous one also to get to know what is actually going on, right? So here you can see that for the getting the comments, you need to as post id get the id count. So get the get comments number, get the number of comments for the post, you need to mention at the post id, so you will get the comments count. So this is very simple lines of php code to fetch the number of comments of the single post type. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.